Avalanche cryptocurrency crypto trading view tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Alright, so once you're on TradingView.com, you don't even have to be signed in to view any cryptocurrencies. This is the cool part. Go to the middle part hand of the screen where it says search or Control+K, click and type in Avalanche. Now, assuming if you go on all, you can see Avalanche on Coinbase, Crypto.com, or KuCoin, or Mexi. If you don't even see this, you can basically scroll to the right until you see crypto. I recommend clicking the first option under Coinbase and click Launch Chart. Now, you can see the price of Avalanche if you were to scroll in on your mouse and you were to scroll down and up. If you can't scroll down or up, go to right here under the price and you can now scroll down or even up. And now if you click and scroll down and scroll up, you can now successfully move your cursor. If you want to change a different time frame of the Avalanche cryptocurrency ticker symbol, as you can see right here, the second option, there is a trend line, but basically we're in a downtrend. Go to the top left hand screen and click here next to the plus and candle icon. Now if you scroll down, we're currently on the 1 month chart. If you click the 1 day chart, you will see a candlestick for every single day of the Avalanche cryptocurrency cycle. Bonus tip, go to the top right hand screen, click this right here, this paper icon. If you scroll down, we can currently see the price, the volume, the liquidity, the 24-hour trading volume, the performance, technicals, etc. completely for free.